We met with Dion late 2016 to address a project of our country farmhouse, which had an original residence and outbuildings dating back to the 1890s. We were seeking a new building to link with the established buildings and be of a design, style and materials that would blend with the original structures. The new building was to provide us with the facilities the older buildings could not, including large open living and dining areas with vaulted ceilings, extensive covered outside dining and recreation areas, and ample areas for hanging larger pieces of art, an art studio, and accommodation that would be readily accessible into the future. We engaged Dion for architectural and construction design to blend old and new in both style and materials, and to address the rural setting, capturing aspect and views. Being somewhat isolated in the country, we were limited in choice of builders and required a clear and concise, detailed working drawings for our builder to follow. These were provided and staff were available to walk our building through all queries. In each case, when variations were considered, they were not adopted, as Dion's plans proved to be the better of the options. The end result is exactly as we had planned and hoped for. Now, some 4 years on, we have the ability to put everything to their test, and there is absolutely nothing we would change.